Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 19th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, we're going straight into your reading. Let's go, Libra. Let us go, Libra. Let's go. We got the Four of Swords coming out as the overall message. So I'm getting you're in healing, you're in remission, you're in meditation. This could be coma as well. Maybe you're recovering from I'm seeing a cast on you. One white cast. I don't know if you're broke somewhere, Libra. I'm seeing you're recovering from something. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We got the Five of Swords coming out first. Yes, something about a stab wound. Or something about a deep cut, incision. I don't know if you did surgery, Libra, but I'm getting your healing. Something about a cut. I'm getting something was inflicted on you. You was in an altercation with somebody and you get cut. I'm getting something about broken bottles, like bottle got broke or something like that. Or a drunken night out. I'm getting something about a blade, a knife. You're the Queen of Pentacles. I don't know if this woman attacked you or you attack her. Or am I getting something over what you did to this woman? I'm getting in our altercation with some man over what you do to this woman. Where you thief from her. Or something like that. You're the devil. Yeah, I'm getting some man. I'm getting you and some man in an altercation because of what you do to this woman. I don't know if you talk shit about her, you thief from her, or I don't know if you secretly want her and she don't want you and all the man them like her too. And them she start to cry and I say, oh yeah, harass her. I'm getting the man them, the man them beat your fucking ass for her. Apparently you don't know so that woman here, even though she might not have no man, me getting a beer man want her. A man would, me getting the man them want her, them bumbleclot. them coming like, this is a motherfucking zoo. But me getting the man them want her, if you never see her cry, them just gonna look for you and start beat the shit out of you. Them don't even with the girl. I don't even think them ever talked to her before. But apparently me getting that woman there is a very high commodity. A beer man want her, enough man want her. Me getting enough man want a girl here. You don't know what you do. You talk shit about the girl or you thief from her, you thief her money. She in an altercation with you. Me getting the man them end up coming and you and them in an altercation now. The devil card, yeah. You are under, you feel like because somebody is lonely or single, you know, means to them alone. Me getting them have enough fucking, I don't know if them have some real niggas or them have some people behind them will kill for her. Yeah, Nine of Swords. So we went from them will kill fear till them will kidnap her. Yeah, because now me getting the Five of Swords, you being attacked, the devil card. Now the same woman is being escorted somewhere else. So this could be some man gonna beat your ass because you tried to kidnap this woman and barricade her somewhere. Something about a Capricorn did this. Also, Capricorn, are you not going to let me out of the tower that you locked me up in? You locked me up in a big ass cold fucking room, in a fucking towers, in a pretty ass blue motherfucking wedding dress. You locked me, you're fucking reasonable people. Fucking Quebecois, right? You fucking locked me up in a fucking tower, in this big nice blue dress. Telling me that you're going to come back to fucking marry me and you never fucking came back. You didn't even give me a blanket in that room. There was no furniture. There was just a big fucking window of me and my blue pretty fucking wedding dress sitting on that fucking concrete bed waiting. Did you forget, Capricorn? You brought me into the dream state, you brought me up that fucking hill, and you merged my fucking soul with the tarot deck, and after your blood clot did that, you put me in a fucking blue wedding dress and you locked me up in a fucking tower, and you never came back. So maybe this all is happening because of what a Capricorn is doing to you. Are you aware what is the plans this Capricorn have for you? Because I feel like he's telling everybody but you. You're the Hierophant, he plans to marry you. Or he want marriage from you. That's why I'm willing to do all of this for you. He want marriage from you. Capricorn want marry you. I'm getting the same man who kidnap you, him want marry you. The same man who put you in a danger, him gonna save you from it. Boy, that Capricorn would have started World War just to be drafted as a soldier for save you. What him started. The Capricorn is a man no blood clot. You think Eve did wicked? You think Capricorn wickeder? You're the 4 of wands, like 4 of swords. 44. That is your guidance, your protection. I'm getting the Capricorn is protecting you. So I'm getting you have been left somewhere for a very long time. You don't know what your next move is. You don't know what your next plan is. You don't have the resources to even go anywhere. You were just told to stay at this fucking church until I come back. Church doors, church windows. You were told to stay at this church until the Capricorn comes back to marry you or collect you. It's pretty weird. I don't see why the devil would be married in the church though. Aren't you a Capricorn? Aren't you the devil? So I'm getting you being kidnapped by a Capricorn because he want to marry you. It's weird. 6 of Pentacles. And I'm just about to say that you have money for getting married because Mr. 6 of Pentacles here. You don't plan to marry somebody and spoil them. You plan to marry somebody and give them just enough so them can smell hygienic. And that's it. I don't know what I feel like as soon as you marry that man, you start turning ugly like the man. Like you marry a devil, him start turning into a devil. As you marry him, so you're not here, your face dry out and look fucked up, your eyes look fucked up. You're 2 of swords, you can't see since you married him. Or you can't see what this man did to you. I'm getting he's gonna marry you. He told you to wait near this church. He's coming back. I'm not sure what he's trying to wrap up, being that he's a devil. Boy, I don't know. Me getting you get kidnapped. You don't know what to do. This Capricorn or this Taurus man are gonna marry you. Right? He's gonna protect you. But he's the devil. So something still is not rubbing me the right way. Let me get one more. The Hermit. Okay, it is rubbing me the right way. We have Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I'm getting you're protected. All 3 signs are here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I'm getting someone just has a lot of power. Maybe somebody does heavy drugs. Somebody might be like cocaine, crack. I don't know if it's the fentanyl, but I'm getting cocaine, crack. I'm getting something that will send you under. Them do it. The Capricorn here, they might really somebody might pop pills. I don't know if your body mass index turn up because I'm getting you do heavy drugs. Heavy fucking drugs. Like you do drugs till your nose bleed. I'm getting you can be very fucking evil over the one you love. Otherwise, you don't exist. You blend in as natural as anybody else. Or something like that. We have fake business. We have guru. We have come visit me. We got Taurus. And we have prophets. Yeah. So I'm getting, yeah, you were supposed to marry this woman. Where the fuck are you? Where are you? You kidnapped her. You blind her. You have people fighting her. Calling her a gold digger. I know how to dig gold. Okay? And what the fuck else? Yeah. I'm getting, yeah, it's a Taurus here. You can marry this Taurus woman. Maybe she's a prophet. That's why you want to marry her. The devil wants to marry the prophet. The devil was like, I'll be damned if a pastor marries you. I'll marry you. The devil beat you to marry the prophet over the pastor. So do not ask me when the world is going to end, because apparently the Capricorn already knows. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.